How's it going, guys? This is Higgins with Illegal Automations. I'm on a quest to try out every filament in every color, and on today's episode we are taking a deep dive into Polymaker's Panchroma PLA in red. One of the things I do like about Polymaker is the fact that they make their spools super easy to open, both on the cardboard box that it comes in, as well as in the bag with these nice little tabs here. And it's also a resealable Ziploc bag. So if Ziploc-esque bag, if you need a good storage system that you don't really and are in a pinch, it works out well. So anyway, this is the Polymaker Panchroma Red. As you know, here at Legal Automations, we always dry our filaments, so I'm going to go ahead and stick this filament dryer, and I'll see you back here soon. Alright, so if you're new here, we always start out by printing a benchy in the generic filament settings for that particular filament in Bamboo Studio, in this case generic PLA. So this should take a little under an hour to get printed. Yep, just right at an hour. So we're going to go ahead and get that done along with all the other test prints, and I'll see you soon. Alright. So here we have all the test prints that we do here at Legal Automations. So again, we always start out with the generic benchy in the generic filament settings in Bamboo Studio. For this one, it's obviously here on the left all the way, which we're going to go ahead and take a look at. Did have some artifact issues, as you can see by the little thing there that got attached of the filament. No idea why, but we're going to try and rectify that as we go on. Next up, we printed the dimensional cube. This is 40 by 40 by 40 millimeters cubed, printed in spiral Voss mode. There were a touch of smaller issues by the looks of it, but nothing super major. I don't know what was going on there. Next up, for the temperature tower, for the temp here, the best one looked to be right at 205 or 200. Anyway, the retraction test ended up looking great. No real issues there. For max volumetric speed test, this one performed very well at a maximum of 28 millimeters per second cubed, which is pretty fast for this. Next up, though, we had the overhang test. So the overhang test did fail. There was, for whatever reason, a little bit of an issue there. No idea why with that, but like I said, just happens on occasion. So just be careful with some of the supports if you're looking to have some finer detail. Anyway, we got those things dialed in and reprinted that benchy. So we were able to address obviously the artifact issue and print it out. Again, everything I've changed is in the description below. So at time of filming, you can pick this up over at Amazon for less than $20 USD. So my overall thoughts are, I love Polymaker. Their filament type is pretty good. I've had no real major issues with their stuff. Anyway, that's been Polymaker's Panchroma PLA in red. If you like this type of content, be sure to like, comment, subscribe, do all the nice YouTube things. I'm relatively new at this, so I'd really appreciate it, and it goes a long way. Anyway, I've been Higgins with Legal Automations. Hope to see you back here next time. Thanks.